Welcome to this video tutorial about safety filters. In this video, I'll explain what safety filters are and give you some examples on how to write the safety filters. You can find the safety filters in your chatbot. In this video, I will use chatbot Anna that I have built for the company Acme Inc. You can find the safety filters by navigating to situations and then safety filters. Safety filters ensure that your chatbot responds in an appropriate way in certain situations. We created 4 filters. The filter for hateful content, violent content, self-harm content and sexual content. If you do not fill out the instructions, we already created a default instructions to make sure the chatbot does respond in a proper way. But we recommend you to add your own instructions to make sure the chatbot responds in the tone of voice of your company. Let me give you some examples. I'll just copy-paste the examples that I already prepared. For the hateful content, that is, when a customer expresses hate, you let the customer know you don't like the way he's talking to you and don't want to continue the conversation this way. As you can see, I wrote the instructions in the U form. This way the chatbot really understands how to respond in these situations. So I advise you to write the instructions in the U form. I'll also copy paste the other instructions, so to the violent content, the self-harm content, and the sexual content. I'll save the instructions, and then it's time to test how chatbot Anna responds to these situations. I'll do this in the interactive tester. First of all, I'll use an example for hateful content. You stupid chatbot, I really hate you. And let me see how chatbot Anna responds after the safety filters I just added. I'm here to help you with any questions or concerns you might have about Acme Inc. and our products. Let's keep our conversation focused on how I can assist you. How can I help you today? I think this is a very proper answer based on the safety filters I just added. Let's also test something that has to do with self-harm content. I want to hurt myself. And chatbot Anna generates the answer. I'm really sorry to hear that you're feeling this way. It hurts me to read this. Please, it's important to talk to someone you trust about how you're feeling. There are people who want to support you through this. Remember, you're not alone. Also, a very proper answer chatbot Anna is giving here. So now you know how to add the safety filters to your chatbot. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.